Assignment 3, Question 1. Find a good cookbook. Read the instructions for your favorite dish. Write a program to display the recipe on the screen, but with a difference. The quantity of each ingredient must be multiplied by a value entered from the keyboard. For example, if the recipe needs 2 cups of flour, the output displayed would be something like this. Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. 4. Recipe name, ingredients, comment statement, other ingredients, 8 cups flour, method. The program has the following structure. Declare an int variable name, mFactor, to store the value with which the quantity of each ingredient must be multiplied. The program must make use of a cin statement to input a value from the keyboard and store it in mFactor. Submit both your program and output.
This was assignment 3, question 1. Due date 12th of July 2021. So we basically have about 4 weeks to get this done. Aha, there's an automatic extension, but let's not wait for that. I have to cover lessons 1 through 16. That's a hell of a lot of lessons to go through. And I need a contribution mark of 30%. These are practical exercises. So let's see what I need to do here. It says please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. Now that's the output statement. So let me go and open my code blocks and see if I can answer the question from what they've asked me to display as output. So here we have code blocks, create a new project, console application, C++, next. Let's give it a nice project title. So let's take it from the, what does it say? Assignment 3, question 1. So I like to A03Q1. This looks very familiar. Next. Great. So here's my C++ program. Let's do a build and run. Build and run. Hello world. Great, it's working. Now instead of saying hello world, let me go and display please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. Control C, copy, open up code blocks, and I'm going to take out hello world. I don't need that anymore. Control V. So now it's going to say please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. Let's do a build and run. Build and run. Please enter the factor to multiply the ingredients with. Isn't that cool? So there's the first part done. I wonder if you could do the second thing where it asks for entering in 4. And they also tell me something about declare an integer. Let's see if you can work that out. By the way, this looks very, very familiar. Cookbook example, please enter in a factor, declaring variables, using a cin statement. I wonder if you can work out the next part. So I need to get the answer, the value 4 from the user. I need them to input this. Let's see if you can work that part out.